Hello and welcome to this Genesis AutoCAD training video. This video will cover selecting sheets, plotting from Sheet Set Manager, creating a sheet selection list, updating a sheet selection list, creating a drawing set description file for publishing, updating a drawing set description file, and enabling and disabling plotting. Let's begin. Easy plotting is one of the great features of Sheet Set Manager. You can simply choose the drawings you want and print. First, activate Sheet Set Manager. Then, activate the Sheet List tab. You can pick which sheets you want to print simply by using the Shift-Click and Control-Click method common in Windows. Shift-Left-Click to select all the sheets between two selected sheets. Control-Left-Click to select or deselect a single sheet. Regarding plotting, we generally print to PDF first. Then we make paper plots from the PDFs. AutoCAD defaults to creating joined PDFs, but our issue standard is to print both single and joined PDFs. My solution is to print a joined PDF and then export individual PDFs using Bluebeam. To print from Sheet Set Manager, select your sheets, then right-click on a sheet, because in Sheet Set Manager we right-click, then choose Publish, then Publish to PDF. Browse to the folder, enter the PDF name, and click Select. AutoCAD will now print your sheets in the background, allowing you to continue to work. You can see the printer icon running in the status bar. If you need to send your sheets directly to a plotter, you can do that too. Simply highlight your sheets as you would for a PDF. Then right-click and choose Publish, Publish using Page Setup Override. Then, choose the printer and size you wish to print to. For instance, if you want to print a half-size set to the Bluebell plotter, choose BB OSE 22x17 half-size. You can also save a list of selected sheets. With Sheet Set Manager open, activate the Sheet List tab. Next, using the Shift-Click, Control-Click method, highlight the sheets you want to save to the sheet selection list. Next, click the Sheet Selections flyout at the top right corner of the Sheet Set Manager palette. Choose Create. Give the sheet selection list a descriptive name. If the list is discipline specific, prefix the name with the discipline. Click OK. Now, when you want to select those sheets again, simply select the sheet selection list from the flyout. Unfortunately, AutoCAD doesn't allow you to simply add or remove sheets from a sheet selection list. Instead, you have to delete and remake it. To do that, in the Sheet Set Manager, in the Sheet List tab near the upper right corner, click the Sheet Selections flyout and choose Manage. Select the sheet selection list you want to replace. Click Rename. Copy the name to the clipboard with Ctrl-C. Click Escape. Click Delete to remove the sheet selection name from the list. Click Yes to confirm that you want to remove the sheet selection name. Click Close to close the Sheet Selections dialog box. Using the Shift-Click, Control-Click method, highlight the sheets you want to save to the sheet selection list. On the Sheet List Manager, near the upper right corner, click the Sheet Selections button. Click Create. In a new Sheet Selection dialog box, paste the name of the sheet selection. Click OK. In addition to a simple list in Sheet Set Manager, you can also create a list of sheets for publishing drawings. AutoCAD officially calls a publishing sheet list a drawing set description file, or DSD, though AutoCAD also calls it a sheet list or list of sheets, depending on which dialog box you are looking at. To create a drawing set description file, activate Sheet Set Manager in the Sheet List tab. Next, using the Shift-Click, Control-Click method, highlight the sheets you want to save to the list of sheets. Next, right-click and choose Publish, Publish dialog box. The sheets you selected will appear in the Publish dialog box. You can change the order of the sheets with the Move Sheet Up and Move Sheet Down buttons. You can also add and remove sheets. Next, from the Publish To flyout, select PDF. Next, click the Sheet Set Publish options. In the Sheet Set PDF Publish Options dialog, click Browse, and enter the destination folder for the PDF. Click OK. Now, save the drawing set description file by clicking the Save icon. Save the DSD file to the Sheets folder of the project you are working on. Be descriptive so that your coworkers will know what the file is for. If this is a discipline-specific list, include the discipline in the name. Click Save. With a DSD file, you can now easily plot a collection of sheets. Simply go to the Publish flyout at the top of the Sheet List tab and choose Publish dialog box. Then click the Load Sheet List button. Browse to your drawing set description file and click Load. When prompted, choose Replace all sheets in the list. Then just click Publish and name your PDF. If you need to add a sheet to a drawing set description file, click the Add Sheets button. Then, browse to the Discipline folder in the Sheets directory of the project. Choose the drawings you want to add to your list. At the bottom of the dialog from the Include flyout, make sure to choose Layout. Also uncheck Prefix Sheet Title with File Name. Click Select. Click the Save Sheet List button to save the updated drawing set description file. One last important note. If you find that AutoCAD will not plot one of your selected sheets, make sure that the sheets have the Included for Published property set to Yes. The Included for Published property can be found by right-clicking on a sheet and choosing Properties. By default, the property is set to Yes, because if the Included for Published property is set to No, the sheet will not print. Notice, when Included for Publish is set to No, there is no change in the sheet icon, so you can't know simply by looking at the sheet if the plotting is turned off or on. For that reason, we recommend always leaving this setting set to Yes, and then manage the printing of the sheets with the sheet list options described in this video. Additionally, an entire discipline subset can have plotting turned off. However, when a discipline subset plotting is disabled, an icon does appear, so at least you have some warning if someone changed the setting. Once again, we recommend leaving all sheets and subsets plot enabled and managing your sheet lists as described in this video.